Hello students, in the last class we learned addition of proper fractions. Today's class we are going to learn how can we do addition if there is a whole number and a proper fraction, and how can we do addition if there are mixed fractions. Okay, now first question you can see 4 plus 2 by 3. 4 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fractional number. When they got mixed up, what makes we get a mixed fraction? You can see 4 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. We can write them together, then we get the answer. 4, 2 by 3. Okay? If you have any doubts like that, we can do one more method. What is that method? 4 is a whole number. We can make it as a fraction by putting 1 as the denominator. Okay? 4 by 1. 4 we will make a fraction by putting 1 as the denominator. Plus 2 by 3. Now you can see denominators are different. In such case, what we do? We find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. LCM will be 3. Next step, we can write 3 as the denominator. Okay? Now according to the changes comes in the denominator, how can we change the numerator? How many ones are 3? We have to see how many ones are 3. 1 3s are 3. Then multiply the numerator also with the same 3. 4 into 3. Then plus how many 3s are 3? 3 1s are 3. Then 2 also will be multiplied with 1. You can see now 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2 by 3. You are going to get 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. 14 by 3 means we can make it into mixed fraction. It's an improper fraction, no? So we will make it into mixed fraction. How many 3s are there at 14? 3 4s are 12. Then what is remaining? 2 is remaining. Denominator will be 3, 4, 2 by 3. Have you got the same answer? Yes, you got the same answer. 4, 2 by 3. So, if a whole number and a proper fraction comes for addition, when we write them together, it becomes its answer. Okay? Otherwise, we can do it by putting 1 as the denominator. We will change the whole number into a fraction by putting 1 as the denominator. Okay, that is another question. We can see the next one. Next one is mixed fraction. Question is given to add 3 mixed fractions. Then what we will do? We will convert them into improper fractions. Okay, we will change them into improper fractions. I am going to rub this one. Okay, we will change them into improper fractions. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Denominator will be same. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17 by 4. We got the numbers, fractions. 5 by 2 plus 10 by 3 plus 17 by 4. All are having different denominators. Then what we have to do? Find the LCM of the denominators. 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Bring down 3. 2 2s are 4. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2. That is 12. 12 will be the LCM. Now next step, we are going to change the given fractions having LCM as the denominator. That is what we are doing in this step. We can write 12 as the denominator. Okay. Now how many, this here you have to see after making it into improper fraction. How many 2's are 12? 2, 6 are 12. Multiply the numerator 5 also with 6. Then plus, what sign is that? Plus sign. How many 3's are 12? 3, 4's are 12. We can multiply the numerator 10 with 4. Next, how many 4's are 12? 4, 3's are 12. We can multiply the numerator 17 also with 3. Okay. We can see 5 6 are 30 plus 10 4's are 40 plus 17 3's are 51 by 12. When you add, you will get 121 by 12. As it is a mixed fraction, we got the answer as mixed fraction. What we will do? We will change it into, answer is this answer what we have got is in improper fraction. We will change it into mixed fraction. Then how many 12's are there in 121? 10 12's are 120. 1 is remaining. Denominator is 12. 10 1 by 12 is the answer. Okay. Now, in this type of questions, we can see one more option, and it can be done only in the case of additions. Okay. Here, 3 mixed fractions are given. We can add it in one more way. I will discuss you what that way is. 2 1 by 2. I am just copying the same to same question. Plus 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 4. Okay. Here you can see all are having whole numbers and proper fractions. Here what we can do, we can add all the whole numbers first. Okay. Which is a whole number here? 2. Which is a whole number here? 3. And here 4. First we will add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. Now next step what we have to do, we can add all the fractional parts. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. You can see the denominators are different. We have to follow the same method of finding LCM. What is the LCM of all these? 12. Okay, we can write LCM 12 and write denominator 12 as the denominator. Now how many 2's are 12? 2 6 are 12. Then 1 into 6 plus how many 3's are 12? 3 into 4. We can multiply 1 with 4. Plus how many 4's are 12? 4 3's are. We can multiply 1 with 3. Okay. Now the next step, I will write it little more bigger. 1 into 6 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3 by 12. Now 1 6 are 6 plus 1 4 are 4 plus 1 3 are 3 by 12. It becomes 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 12. 13 by 12, when you make it into mixed fraction, what happens? 1 12's are 12 and 1 is remaining by 13 will be the answer. And is it the final answer? No. This is the sum of fractional numbers. And this is the sum of whole numbers. What we have to do? We have to add the sum of whole numbers and the sum of fractional numbers. That is 9 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Then 9 plus 1. 9 is a whole number here. 1 is a whole number here. 9 plus 1. 10. 1 by 12 is this. We got the same to same answer. Okay. And this method can be followed only for addition of fractions. For subtraction we cannot follow this method. So those who did not understand this, those who find it difficult this method, you just follow this method only. This is nothing tough. What we have to do? We have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. And the remaining steps are same to same only. Okay? Hope all of you understood. Thank you.